Fi'n credu bod dy ti posibl enillydd y Llais 2026 fyna.
Ti'n gael y star.
Fi ddim moyn eistedd lawr.
Oedd yn amazing.
Oh, down to Armadale, cariad. Wow. Ti'n vision yn borffor. I felt like the first part of the song, you could hear the nerves, and then you went, nah, stuff this.
Yeah.
Fi'n mynd I bod fy hun, I'm going to be myself. Let's
I'm
do
glad
this.
it came off that way, because that final note, I was holding on to the mic because I thought I was about to faint.
You're a star already, and I think we would work extremely well together. You should choose me.
No, it's me, because dwi'n meddwl you've got what it takes to win the competition.
I had an idea going in, and I might stick to it. I've had a crush on this person ever since I watched him play Sweeney Todd at the English National Opera years and years ago. So I think it's going to have to be Tim Bryn. Tim Bryn!
Wow!
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr!
Send the tale of Sweeney Todd.
Showing off.
Hey, am Llais.
Fuming, I fi.
Yeah.
Crush factor.
Yeah.
Mae Bryn yn cael.
Dim bromance on man crush.
O'n I byth yn meddwl heddi byddai'n clywed Bryn yn dweud man crush.